Hi, welcome to FabGrad training videos. Now let us see an example for switch statement in C language. Okay, so if you can recall what is a switch, it is nothing but when you have an expression which has to be compared against a bunch of values. Okay, in such cases, you go for this switch statement, wherein for each of the values you have a set of statements to be also executed, right? So let us take the color example. Okay, say suppose when the user enters the value 1, you can say that you have chosen red color. Okay, when the user has given value 2, you can say that he has chosen pink. Okay, if he has given a value 3, you can say that you have chosen blue color. If the user has entered a value other than these three values, you can give a default message using the default block to asking him to enter a value between 1 to 3. Okay, so this is a simple example which we are going to see for the switch statement in C. Now let us see how we can code it using a C language. Okay, so assuming all the library functions have been declared, we go to the main program directly. Okay, main. Therein you can get you can declare color. Okay, and you can give a message to the user stating him to enter a value between 1 to 3. Okay, then you can get the value from the user using the scanf. Now coming to the main part of the program. Okay, switch. Here you will use the color variable. So this color variable can hold any value between 1 to 3, proper value. Okay, for values other than these three, you will handle it in default block. Okay, so you can write case, the first value will be 1. You can say that printf red. Okay, break. This break is optional. We'll see what happens if we are not giving break also. Okay, so printf say pink as we discussed, break, then case 3. Here also you will give it as it's almost the same, right? You can give blue and break. Now default block, you say that printf enter a value between 1 and 3, you can say. Okay, so that's all, and we can, yeah. Now this is how you can write a color example using the switch case. Now let us see a sample input and output so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay, say suppose the input given by the user, okay, uh, is 2 at the first place. Okay, what will be the output? So the variable color will hold the value 2. The control goes down and it reaches the switch statement here. It will hold the value 2. It goes to the first case. It sees the case has the value 1. So this doesn't match. So it goes to the next case. The value is 2 and the value of the color is also 2. So the statements for this in this case will be executed. Okay. So the output here will be pink. And the next statement encountered here is break, right? So the control goes out of the switch statement and no other statements after the switch, so nothing to be displayed. Say the second one, the input given is say 4. The color will hold the value of 4. Now it checks with each of these cases, none of the values match, so it goes to the default block and it gives the output as enter a value between 1 to 3. This will be the output, right? So this is how the switch works. Say suppose this break is not there. Okay, say for example the same for the same input 2. This break is not there. Just imagine this break is commented. Okay, so what will happen? You can say that input given is 2. Okay, so the control passes. This case doesn't match, so it goes here. The case matches the value 2 and the color also holds the value 2, so the statements get executed. So the output will be pink, right? First printf statement is pink. Next what it will do, it goes sees the break is not there. So if this break is not there, until a break is encountered, okay, until a break is encountered, the statements will get executed. So it also goes to the case 3. It prints the value blue. And now it encounters a break, right? So the control comes out and the program ends. Okay, so this is the use of the break statement. Until if there are no break statements in a case, it will the statements get executed sequentially, case after case. Okay, uh, I hope you can understand how we can write an example using program using a switch statement in C. Thank you.